Looking for a coaxial cable that combines flexibility and durability for your CB antenna? This low-loss signal cable stands out with its stranded center conductor, designed to bend without breaking. It keeps your connection solid, even in tough conditions where vibration and movement are common. What sets this cable apart are the soldered place 259 connectors. Unlike crimped versions, these let you unsolder and customize your installation, whether that means drilling a smaller hole or adding a grommet. This means no oversized holes in your vehicle or gear, preserving both function and appearance. With 144 braided copper strands in the center conductor, this cable delivers excellent conductivity and signal integrity. The many strands keep it flexible while minimizing signal loss, so your CB radio performs at its best whether you're on the road or at home. This blend of flexibility and low loss makes it a smart pick for serious CB users. Users appreciate the balance of quality and practicality here. In an age dominated by cell phones, CB radio still matters for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This cable respects that tradition by offering a reliable connection without extra bulk or fuss. The cable's design also stands up to real-world wear. While the outer jacket may show sun damage over time, the core signal quality stays intact. For those spending hours outdoors or driving, this means consistent performance without frequent replacements. Installation is straightforward, even if you're new to CB setups. The soldered connectors save time and frustration, allowing you to tailor your installation to fit your vehicle or antenna mount perfectly. That means fewer compromises and a cleaner, more professional look once everything's in place. It's also designed for compatibility with single CB antenna SA239 stud mounts. No adapters needed. This seamless fit ensures a secure connection and better overall signal transmission, which makes a noticeable difference in performance. If you've struggled with bulky, inflexible cables or connectors that don't fit right, this product solves those issues. The stranded conductor offers flexibility, and the soldered connectors make installation easier and longer lasting. Worth a look if you want a cleaner, more dependable CB connection.